Welcome to our latest gadget roundup, where we explore some of the most innovative technology that's pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Today, we'll dive into the incredible ArcSport electric wakeboat, the versatile SkyPak portable power system, the groundbreaking Skinetic wearable tech, and the agile Unitree G1 robotic dog. We'll also look at the futuristic UMILES Next eVTOL, the precision-driven WingtraOne drone, the cutting-edge TY3R drone, and the stylish RooBadge wearable. Plus, we'll check out the Doroni H1 eVTOL, revolutionizing urban air mobility. Buckle up as we uncover the future of tech. The Unitree pump is a versatile and portable smart resistance training device designed to enhance your workouts anywhere, anytime. With adjustable resistance levels ranging from 4.4 to 44 pounds, it allows you to customize your strength training, whether you're targeting muscle growth, endurance, or rehabilitation. Its compact size and lightweight design make it easy to carry, while the companion app tracks your progress in real time, offering personalized workout plans and data analysis. Ideal for fitness enthusiasts who want to maintain their routine on the go, the Unitree pump brings the gym right to your fingertips. The WingtraOne is revolutionizing aerial surveying and mapping. This high-performance drone combines the agility of a quadcopter with the efficiency of a fixed-wing aircraft. With its vertical takeoff and landing capability, it's perfect for navigating tight spaces and rugged terrain. The WingtraOne boasts a massive 90-minute flight time, allowing it to cover up to 400 hectares in a single flight. Equipped with cutting-edge cameras and sensors, it captures ultra-high-resolution images and data, making it invaluable for industries like agriculture, construction, and environmental monitoring. The WingtraOne is not just a drone, it's a game-changer for aerial data collection. The UMILES Next eVTOL is revolutionizing urban mobility with its cutting-edge design. This electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft offers a sleek, eco-friendly solution to city transport. It features advanced propulsion technology, making it silent and efficient with zero emissions. Capable of vertical takeoff and landing, it eliminates the need for traditional runways. With a range of up to 250 kilometers and speeds reaching 300 kilometers per hour, the UMILES Next is not just a glimpse into the future, but a leap towards it. This innovative vehicle could redefine how we navigate our cities, making air travel accessible and sustainable. SkyPak, the electric jetpack, is revolutionizing personal flight. Imagine soaring through the sky with no need for fuel, just clean, electric power. SkyPak's lightweight design and advanced battery technology give you up to 30 minutes of flight time, reaching speeds of 75 miles per hour. It's equipped with intuitive controls, making it easy for anyone to pilot, and safety features like auto-stabilization and emergency landing capabilities ensure a smooth flight every time. Whether for urban commuting or extreme sports, SkyPak is the future of personal transportation, offering a thrilling yet environmentally friendly way to fly. The Doroni H1 eVTOL is revolutionizing personal transport with its cutting-edge design and technology. This incredible flying car combines the convenience of a car with the thrill of flying. Powered by electric motors, it offers a quiet, eco-friendly flight experience. The H1 can take off and land vertically, making it perfect for urban environments where space is limited. With a top speed of 100 miles per hour and a range of 60 miles, it's designed for short, efficient trips. Equipped with advanced navigation and safety systems, it ensures a smooth and secure journey. The Doroni H1 is not just a glimpse into the future, it's a game changer in how we'll travel. The RooBadge is a revolutionary device designed to enhance road safety by preventing kangaroos from jumping in front of your car. Using advanced ray transmission technology, the RooBadge emits a harmless signal that deters kangaroos from approaching your vehicle. As you drive, the device sends out a series of rays that create a protective zone around your car. Kangaroos, sensitive to these signals, are discouraged from crossing your path. This cutting-edge invention not only helps to avoid potential accidents, but also minimizes damage to your vehicle. Stay safe and drive with confidence, knowing that the RooBadge is working tirelessly to keep kangaroos at bay. Skinetic audio to haptics is a groundbreaking invention, transforming how we experience sound. This innovative technology converts audio signals into tactile sensations on your skin, allowing you to feel music or sound effects in a whole new way. By using advanced sensors and haptic feedback systems, Skinetic enhances immersion in gaming, music, and virtual reality. Imagine feeling the beat of your favorite song or the rumble of an explosion right on your skin. It's not just about hearing the sound, it's about experiencing it. Skinetic's audio-to-haptics technology is revolutionizing sensory experiences and paving the way for more immersive entertainment. The TY-3R drone is a game-changer in the world of drones. Its compact design packs a punch with advanced features, including a high-definition camera that captures stunning 4K video and crisp photos. With its intelligent flight modes like Follow Me and Orbit, the TY-3R makes aerial photography and videography a breeze. It boasts an impressive flight time of up to 30 minutes on a single charge and a robust range of 5 kilometers, ensuring you can explore and capture every angle you desire. Plus, its built-in obstacle avoidance technology ensures a smooth, collision-free flight. Whether you're a hobbyist or a pro, the TY-3R drone takes your aerial adventures to new heights. The ArcSport electric wakeboat is revolutionizing water sports with its cutting-edge design. This fully electric boat delivers an exhilarating wakeboarding experience without the noise or emissions of traditional gas-powered boats. With a top speed of 30 miles per hour and a range of up to 20 miles on a single charge, it's perfect for all-day fun on the water. The boat features an advanced propulsion system for smooth, powerful performance and a sleek, modern design that turns heads. Embrace the future of water sports with the ArcSport electric wakeboat, where innovation meets adrenaline. Thanks for watching our deep dive into these amazing gadgets. If you enjoyed exploring these innovations with us, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech reviews, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll continue to bring you the latest and greatest in tech. See you next time.